Hi, I'm Anuj Mathur and I belong from Kota, Rajasthan. I did my engineering in fibers and textile processing technology from ICT Mumbai. So before that, I do not have any working experience, and this was my first company with the ABG which I associated with. There was always, in me the thing that I want to do something in chemical engineering, and that's for the reason that I joined the textile engineering. Basically, ABG has this engineering leadership program in which they hire young engineers from one-tier engineering colleges from various streams, electrical, mechanical, textile, etc. The basic purpose or the basic objective of the group is, they want to groom the young engineers to become the leaders across the group. The program is, well structured, and it is structured in a way that, 7-day induction is being provided for us in Mumbai, in which, various leaders across the businesses come across to give us the know-how of the business. After that induction, we are being allocated to our respective business units. After that, we have to underwent a 6-month exhaustive training across all the manufacturing units of that respective businesses. Then we are given a 6-month project for working in a unit, and on the basis of which we are evaluated and confirmed. The unique feature of the ELP is, that it gives you a lot of exposure and it gives you a lot of opportunities to learn and grow, both technically as well as, personally. So, I was allocated to pulp and fiber business, and then, deputed to a unit in Kharach. That was a plant location. The plant location and the plant life is indeed a little different and unique because it is away from the hustle bustle of the cities. And the environment is quite peaceful there, but there was this one challenge for me at that location, that I'm a kind of guy who is very choosy and picky about the food, but there were not so options for that in that kind of location. So as they say that compulsion teaches man, so I tried to learn cooking by myself, and used to cook at my place to overcome that challenge. And regarding the technical aspect, it was a very great and insightful experience for me, because whatever I have learned in my college, like about all the theoretical knowledge which I got about the fibers and various kind of textile processes, I was actually able to apply that part of my knowledge into the plant when I was on field working, because I was associated with the new product development teams, in which we had to work very hard in the operations part. We had to take so many trials. So whatever I learned in my graduation part, I can apply my knowledge into the operations part. As it was also that thing, that because I was from textile background, I was I can get that things more easily, and that were more comfortable to me. Most of the customers are the weavers and the spinners and the textile processing houses, which use our fiber to produce fabrics and yarns. And there was this thing which was coming up from customers, that our fiber has not that much of tenacity. It was causing a problem with production on their part. So we started to think of the causes for that, and then was the time that we took up this project and tried to do some modification in the process. We tried to take some trials on modifying some of the parameters, and then tried to work to achieve that kind of tenacity which the customer requires, because at the end the customer satisfaction is one thing which is the most important for any business. Obviously I like that the learning which I got in plant. I don't think that kind of learning I would have got anywhere. But after a particular time, the life was, not much interesting there, because being always exposed to the city and city life, I was not very used to living in that kind of area. So yeah, I like that transition. And when this thing came from management, that I have to now come back to Mumbai and cover my projects up here with the business cell. So the transition was, not that much, difficult for us, because in the 1 year time of training, we were prepared for this, that we have to be ready to adapt to anything which has been asked by the business. So I think in that my manager played a very critical role. He helped me, He let me do my mistakes. When I joined in the commercial role in business cell, so he had asked me to, prepare that report of the material consumption of all units, and that report had that report had so much of the basic lingo of the financial parameters, that I was not aware of, and upon that it had so many different advanced formulas which was I was not able to understand only because I was never exposed to the advanced Excel sheet before. So he asked me to read that and explain that to him. But I was like, I don't know this kind of things, and but he told me that you kind of make a summary of this report and then present it to me. Be it wrong, but if it will be wrong also, then also it doesn't matter. I'll explain it to you, and then but that that thing I think taught me that so sometimes mistakes also teaches you a lot, because of the thing that I made mistakes in that report. I was able to know that where I am wrong and what I am not able to understand. So I was I was in a position to ask him that that this is the specific thing which I am doing wrong, and that helped in the further learning. When I was working in the business cell, on a business analyst role, I got acquainted with a lot of new things in the Excel, using advanced Excel formulas in the Excel sheet. Working on SAP was one thing which I got to learn in business cell. I never worked on SAP before. Working on different modules on SAP to access the different kind of information. I was also given a chance to allocate and be a part of the strategies which they take before allocating a budget to a certain plant, and we are doing that on SAP, and I was given the task of allocating the budget to all the other units, which I successfully completed also. Another thing is that I was also involved in the documentation of the PNB activities. So that was a kind of thing which gave me a sense of what are our consumption ratios of different raw materials, what are our operational costs, what is the ratio of operational cost, and the different type of costs which we are running, and how can we because all the CXOs read that kind of information and take the actions whatever is required for running a business successfully. Moving on to my another role, that was business development. I was associated with the chemical sales and marketing team, and I had to work on the new product because we had recently developed one product which is Prosodium, and we had to I was responsible for the marketing activities of the Prosodium, that how we can market that product in the customers, and how we can create a awareness among the customers of this brand, because this was something value added product for our business which got us high realizations. So it was important, and business also wanted to get that product in the market. I have had many good managers, many good mentors, but if you would say that I have to pick one, I would say that it was Mr. Mohammed Kayumi, whom I was working under business cell. Despite of having a very rich experience of more than 15 years, he was so down to earth, he was so knowledgeable, and he used to stay so focused and so dedicated towards his goals and commitments, that he could do whatever it takes to complete that on target. So I think that kind of thing I learned from him. The change from the pre-COVID is only that earlier we used to have face-to-face meetings. Now we are having digital meetings. Apart from that, I don't think there is any changes in our working lifestyle, because now we are in lockdown. The value-added products which we are developing that were still into the developing phase, that kind of activities are limited now, because we have to coordinate with a lot of vendors outside and customers, and not everyone is operating now due to this lockdown. So to some extent we have we are limited in that kind of work. But now this COVID has taught us to go into more digital. So what now we are working is to move towards a more digital platform for sales and operation procedures. So we are working with the IT team to develop that kind of things. By working in various departments and various roles, one thing I have learned, that is that if you stay focused and and if you have self confidence, there is nothing that is not achievable. So I am ready to take my upcoming projects wherever it can.